Hey Pathpointers, here's a demonstration on how to quote excess liability. Agents have the ability to add excess for contractors and lessors risk accounts. Today I'm quoting excess for a janitorial service, so I'll click under contractors and then excess coverage, reviewing the coverages to create my submission. From here, I'll enter the application where I will select my class of business and proceed with answering the general information regarding the business and its exposures. For excess coverage, you will enter the underlying policy information, including carrier info and their provided limits. We accept coverage written over any carrier rated A or better with attachment points of 1 million. Next, you'll proceed through the eligibility question set and enter the requested coverage details. We offer excess coverage from 1 million to 5 million limits. Take a moment to review your submission, then proceed to markets. View available quotes with limits from 1 million to 5 million. Click details to review full pricing and select the best quote. When you're ready, head to subjectivities to begin the binding process. And that's it. Simple, faster, easier E&S quoting at pathpoint.com.